Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to add clickable link in Instagram bio. It's a very simple and easy process, so make sure you follow me till the end to get an idea of how you can do this. Now, once you're here in your Instagram profile, you can go ahead and click on Edit Profile. Then you will get all of these options. You can click on the Links tab. It's right here in the middle. Click on Add Links, click on Add External Link, and then you can go ahead and put in the link that you want other people to find on your Instagram bio. You can go to the website, copy the link from the URL bar, and once you've copied it, you can go ahead and paste it or type it in for that matter. It's all up to your preference. Once this is done, you can click on the top right corner, and that is it. We have now successfully added an external link to our Instagram bio, and if I refresh my page, you will see that this is how that link will look like. Once I click on it, it will redirect me to that website. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add clickable link in Instagram bio. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.